food today. Rahul called me and he said that he wants to eat the green rice. There is this restaurant not that far away, like near our house. I don't remember the name of the restaurant because we have only went there once. But it is green rice. It's rice, but it's green in color. And it is the absolute, just thinking about it, just my mouth is just watering thinking about it. It is the absolute best thing that you'll ever eat in your entire life. Okay? The best. And then there's also this dessert, vermicelli, like fried vermicelli. And then they put this in this white liquid with small balls, white color balls. I don't know what is it, but also with a little bit of ice cream. I'll finish this and then I'm going to get into the outfits. You know, like I said before, that my mind just shuts down every time I go out, or every time I think about, wearing something nice, or, styling something. Like, and I don't know how to style things. Suddenly I'm just dumb. Suddenly I just have nothing in here and I just wear, my everyday clothes. I'm going to try my best to wear nice clothes outside. So I have a few options. Okay, first, top and black pants. So this is like a very safe option, okay? This is what I would wear pretty much everywhere all the time. This is also one of my staple looks. I mostly wear things like this. I usually try to wear gold with black rather than silver. I just feel like black and gold just complement each other more, effortlessly. I don't mind white and silver. That's still okay. White and gold is still okay. But with black, I don't know. I just tend to go for gold. Okay, I'll just take like my everyday bag here. 90% of the time, out of 100%, this is what I wear. Especially if it's dinner, I tend to wear more comfortable clothes because I want to eat. Like, my focus should be on eating. Like, I'm going there to eat. And that's my primary focus. It should be my primary focus. So that's why I often like to wear simple and comfortable clothes if I'm going to eat. Okay, maybe I can wear a dress, I really like this dress. I bought this dress earlier this year, and this is the second time I'm wearing this dress, and I love it. I love it. I love the sleeves. I love the fit. The only thing is that I want this to be a little more, like a little more tight. I like this. I like this. Chico, do you like this? Chico, do you like this dress? Oh my god, no, Bobby. Now I'll have fur all over my dress. But it's so cute. I love you so much. Okay, I like this. Maybe I'll just keep it like this. Simple, casual. Maybe I can go for some earrings. I have these cute little ones. Small little earrings. It's not a lot of hodgepodge going on. Small little earrings. Extremely comfortable for dinner because nothing too tight right here, so that even if I bloat, I can breathe. This right now might be my number one. But there's one more. I want to try one more thing. I have had this corset with me for like quite some time now, but I just never wore it. And I don't know. I like it. It's a pretty long skirt. Okay, so this is definitely not something that I will go for, but I just want to try something new. So here it is. This looks nice. This look is okay, but it's just not something that I'll go for, you know? So maybe I'll just skip it. Maybe I'll just even skip pairing any accessory with it. I have never really experimented much with this kind of style. I just wanted to see how it looks on me, and now I've come to the conclusion that it's okay. It's average. And Chico's destroying my setup, so I'll see you guys next time. Toodaloo! I just said toodaloo. Bye.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano.